Welcome everyone to Easy Code Is, where you the users can determine what features I will be implementing next. So if there's something you want to learn about when coding up a website, leave a comment down below and I just might make a video about it. Today we're going to be learning how to use htaccess to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. This way the users are always going to visit our site securely. If I go to easycodeis.com, hit enter, I am redirected to HTTPS, easycodeis.com. If I just go to HTTP and hit enter, I am also redirected to HTTPS. Same with www. It's always going to redirect us to HTTPS and then our domain name. And to do this, we're going to use htaccess. We begin by creating a .htaccess file in our website's root directory. Open that up. In the first line, we are going to turn on the rewrite engine. This will turn on the Apache module mod_rewrite, which allows us to rewrite the URL however we want. We begin by defining our conditions. If the user is coming from HTTP, or there is the www. In the URL, we want to rewrite the URL to HTTPS and the domain. If we're coming from www, or if our HTTPS is off, which means they're coming from HTTP, which is not secure, then we're going to remove www. From the URL, and we're going to rewrite them to HTTPS with our domain. Our last line here is the actual rewrite. This is where it all takes place if any of these conditions are met. So if it's www. Or if HTTPS is off, we're going to redirect to HTTPS without www. In it, just our domain and any variables that might be included. The any makes sure that no special characters get encoded. For instance, an ampersand will get passed along as an ampersand, and it will not be encoded. The L means that this is the last line of the rewrite rule, and we can stop. And the R redirects the user and tells the browser to display this new URL in the browser's address bar. The last thing I'm going to show you guys in here is the Apache if statements. This is all good, but we don't want to do this when we're working on our local box, so we're going to only specify this rewrite condition to work if we're on our domain. So we're going to set up our if statement, and we're going to check our HTTP host, which is the domain. So if HTTP host is easycodeis.com, or if it's www.easycodeis.com, then we will apply these rewrite conditions and redirect the user to HTTPS. If we're on our local box, we do not fall into this if statement because our HTTP host is localhost, and that is an Apache if statement. Hopping over to our browser, if we go to localhost/easycodeis, see we still can access our site on our local box. We're going to go to our actual website, and that also works. That is how you redirect a user from HTTP to HTTPS. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Like and subscribe down below, leave a comment, let me know what you want to learn about and see implemented next. Remember, easy code is, and I'll catch you later.